from the board screen here on the left side navigation. We're in the board section. In the top right corner, click Create. When you click Create, you'll basically see the default option of a standard board. This is 90% of the time what you're going to use. The template, if you'd like to create a template, you can basically create many boards from the same template. So by default, standard board is selected. You can go ahead and name your board. So we'll do Client Onboarding. And then if you'd like to choose a template, you can choose one of your own templates that you've created already. You can also choose a Rindle template. So we do have a couple options, including our baseline workflow, to choose from if you'd like a starting point. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. So here you can choose your default layout for your board. So we do have a few options. We have a column, list, calendar, and Gantt view. By default, it's column, and that's our recommended view. You can add a group here. So we can call this onboarding for the group. That will group your board into that category. And then you have an option to set a start date and a due date for your board. These dates also play into the Gantt chart view if you're looking to schedule your project with the Gantt view. Okay, then you select a background. We have options for full color backgrounds, full gradient backgrounds. We have geometric shapes available. You can also scroll over, lots of options here in each one of these sections, and full bleed images. Right, next you can add somebody to the board to collaborate with you, or many. By default, you'll see yourself on the board. You can then click in this little area here and add who you'd like to add here to your board. They'll be added as a board member permission level, but you can change that permission level once you get into the board. If you don't see a user here and you have permission to invite people to Rindle, you can invite new users from here as well. Okay, then you click Create, and your board will create. And then once that happens, you'll be ready to rock and create your first task.